Hey guys, welcome back to another live stream, and in this live stream, what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be using the MEMZ virus on this Windows XP machine I have over here. Today is February 20th, 2017, and I haven't streamed in quite a while. It has been a long time since we've actually streamed, so I thought I'd do something pretty epic, and it took me forever to find these MEMZ viruses right here. But anyway, these MEMZ viruses are the destructive kind. There's two types of the MEMZ virus. There's the non-destructive kind, which is called the clean version, and there's also the destructive kind, which is the destructive version. Self-explanatory right there. But pretty much what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing these on this Windows XP machine. I'm going to show you it's going to be pretty funny. I have system audio enabled so you guys can hear exactly everything. I won't be able to hear, but anyway, let's get started. So, the MEMZ virus basically wipes your whole computer. Well, not really. It just basically wipes your boot.ini file and replaces it with nyancat. So that sounds pretty funny, but that's exactly what it does. Don't have actually connection to internet, which kind of sucks, but anyway, let's fire up the MEMZ trojan right here. I'm gonna fire up. Now this version was actually modified by the creator. Basically, a lot of people were using this to like break their friend's computer and stuff, so this right here basically warns you, but yeah, you can click yes. And, well, guys, we're gonna infect this computer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Windows XP. So pretty much after you've done that, it opens a notepad that says your computer has been destroyed by the MEMZ trojan. Your computer won't boot up again, so use it as long as you can. Pretty much if you kill it through Task Manager by doing Control-Shift-Escape, your computer would instantly die. And I've tried this before. I can show you guys after this. I have a few, there's a few variants of this trojan, actually. I'm not sure what version this one is, but we've actually enabled the trojan. Right now, there's nothing really happening, but soon you'll see that web pages start popping up on right as I said that, right? Web pages should pop up on screen, and as you can see, this would usually search something, so it'd search like, John Cena mid-legit not converted. Well, that sounds fun. So now I guess we wait until the stuff happens. But pretty much, I already tried this once on this machine. I took a snapshot since I'm doing this inside of VMware. Obviously, I don't have Windows XP installed on my computer. So right now, okay, there you go. Next thing is searching is how to send a virus to my friend. Well, just send this virus and remove the dialog boxes. I mean, seriously. So this virus was actually made for a live stream, and this live stream, this guy named Joel, he basically live streams him installing viruses on computers. As you can see, actually the mouse on the screen is actually jiggling. I'm not moving the mouse right now. But pretty much, he tests out viruses on stream, basically infects Windows machines on stream. And this was actually made for him on the stream. And I think it's really cool, just the virus concept itself. You can see the mouse cursor is jiggling. It's a little hard to use it, but you can still technically use your computer at this point. Not all the payloads have been activated yet. There's quite a few payloads, and the last one is kind of the worst. Okay, how to get money? Well, you can get a job. Okay, so let's say we were just using the computer normally right here. We just go, into my computer, maybe into my documents. Let's say we're just listening to a nice music file, like 30 seconds of it. Just listening to a nice music file here, and then our device manager pops up here, and sometimes this happens, and sometimes it doesn't. This is actually the first time the device manager has popped up, but yeah, it pops up device manager, and oh, batteries. This thinks it's a laptop, I guess. So not all the payloads have been activated. In a second, you should see that the computer should start making noises if it hasn't already. I'm not sure because I don't actually hear the live stream sound. Yeah, it looks like it's already been making the noises. And now it's inverting the screen. So this payload basically inverts the screen every time, every a few seconds. So I'm just gonna, go ahead, maybe browse through my network. I'm not connected to a network. Let's try to open up Control Panel to fix this up. Maybe change the theme. You saw that dialog box said still using this computer. Pretty much the point is, once you shut down your computer, it will be completely destroyed into a unusable brick. And, a brick is a brick. Okay, here it is. So this is the next payload. As you can see, the mouse is actually being followed by these, like, air icons. What the heck? System configuration utility. I don't recall opening that. Yeah, so this is the next payload. The The next thing that should happen is all, like, the start button right here should start being inverted. As you can see, lol, LOL, you still using this computer? Well, quite frankly, I am using this computer, so we're just gonna click OK on that. All the payloads are actually combined together, and they execute at the same well, not the same exact time, but they all execute at the same exact time towards the end. So let's go back into appearance and themes. Let's see, maybe change the desktop background. Why do you open up device manager? You're trying to get me to blow up my computer? Let's see, peace. Peace. Pretty ironic that that's named for this piece over here that's happening. I like autumn. Let's see, autumn. Okay, now you can see, you see how these buttons over here are being inverted, and the start menu is being inverted to trats. So basically everything, all like the changeable icons and buttons and labels are actually being inverted. So still using this computer. Yeah, quite frankly, I am still using the computer. Let's see. My desktop wallpaper didn't really fill up. Let's see. Come on, get out of my face. Okay, this is actually not even the worst part of the virus yet. Let's see. Okay, this looks good. I like my wallpaper. It's getting a little inverted, but you know, don't mind that. I can't imagine myself using a computer like this. Get out of my face, Internet Explorer. Okay, this is the last payload that happens. So pretty much what happens is your whole desktop starts doing this kind of like tunnel loop thing. This is pretty interesting. Actually, this is the best one I've actually seen. I think there's one other virus that does this, and I don't know. I like this virus for this exact reason, because when you're trying to open something and try to open up Task Manager, Control Shift Escape, try quitting anything from here. You can barely see anything. So at this point, your computer is pretty much trashed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna restart the computer. So what we're gonna do is send the restart command. Okay, restarting the computer. It should be. Okay, so it's gonna see these dialog boxes where it says it crashes the computer, and it's gonna say this: your computer has been trashed by the MEMZ trojan. Enjoy the 9 cat, and the 9 cat plays if the sounds were to work. Yeah. So yeah, this is pretty much what would happen to your computer once your MEMZ trojan is done. Now the thing is, this doesn't actually damage any of your files. So if you want to get anything back, you just basically fix the boot.ini file, because that's the only thing that's really broken as a result of this virus. And if you fix that, this 9cat will go away. But I don't understand why you want it to go away. I mean, it's 9cat, right? It plays a nice MIDI file. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. If not, I can overlay it in the final version of this video when it's uploaded. But pretty much, yeah, this is what it does. So I'm going to quickly shut down this computer, because, well, quite frankly, nobody's going to use that. I'm going to open up a snapshot of this computer here. Back to where it was before. Okay. I think that's the one. Don't save on that one. Okay, so it looks like that snapshot's broken. Okay, I'm restoring a snapshot. I'm using VMware Fusion, by the way. Okay, here it is. So we're back to the little snapshot of what we had before. The resolution is a bit messed up. But pretty much, the MEMZ virus runs on Windows XP all the way through. I'm pretty sure it's Windows 10, yeah. So it can run on all systems. I'm going to open up the 9cat snapshot one more time. The MEMZ one. MEMZ 9cat. So yeah, this is pretty much all your computer would be after this whole virus. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this very short live stream today. I just didn't have anything planned for today, so I thought I would upload this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and be careful if you download the MEMZ virus, or MEMZ trojan, because it is quite harmful, although I wouldn't mind having 9cat on my computer every time I start it up to annoy people. Still don't do that. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I'm out.